Attraction is rarely as simple as appearance alone. More often, people fall for how someone makes them feel safe, excited, understood, and emotionally alive. Psychology shows that connection grows through subtle emotional cues, repeated positive experiences, and the way the brain begins to associate someone with pleasure and comfort. Similarity, reciprocity, eye contact, and emotional safety are all well-known drivers of attraction. The truth is, people are drawn toward those who create emotional meaning in their world. Today, we will explore 9 powerful psychological triggers that make people naturally fall for you, not through manipulation, but through genuine human connection. 1. Emotional safety. One of the strongest psychological triggers is emotional safety. People fall for those who make them feel calm, accepted, and free to be themselves without fear of judgment. Psychology consistently shows that trust and emotional security strengthen bonding and attachment. When someone feels safe around you, their mind slowly begins to associate your presence with peace, and that feeling can become deeply attractive. 2. The power of eye contact. Sustained and confident eye contact is one of the most powerful nonverbal triggers of attraction. Eye contact communicates confidence, attention, and emotional presence. Research in attraction psychology often links eye contact with increased feelings of closeness and romantic interest. Sometimes a few seconds of genuine eye contact creates more connection than many words. 3. Similarity and shared values. People naturally feel drawn to those who seem similar to them. Shared beliefs, interests, humor, or even life goals create a sense of familiarity and compatibility. Psychology refers to this as the similarity effect, where people are more likely to feel attraction toward those who reflect parts of their own identity. 4. Reciprocity, a powerful trigger in human attraction is reciprocity. People tend to like those who show that they like them. When someone senses genuine interest, attention, and warmth from you, it often increases their own emotional response. Psychology shows that knowing someone values you can strengthen attraction. 5. Vulnerability and emotional openness. People often fall for those who are emotionally real. When you share meaningful thoughts, fears, goals, or experiences, it creates intimacy. Psychology calls this reciprocal self-disclosure, and it is one of the strongest triggers of emotional bonding. Vulnerability makes people feel trusted, and trust often deepens attraction. 6. Shared exciting experiences. Novel or emotionally intense experiences can accelerate attraction. Psychology calls this the misattribution of arousal effect, when heightened emotion from an exciting activity gets associated with the person you are with. This is why people often bond faster during adventures, travel, or emotionally intense conversations. 7. Mirroring body language. Subtle mirroring is a strong unconscious trigger. When you naturally reflect someone's posture, tone, or speaking pace, it creates a sense of similarity and rapport. Research on body language often links mirroring with trust and attraction. This makes the interaction feel smoother and more emotionally connected. 8. The mere exposure effect. The more someone sees and interacts with you in positive ways, the more familiar and comfortable you become. Psychology calls this the mere exposure effect. Repeated positive exposure often increases attraction because familiarity reduces uncertainty and builds trust. 9. Making them feel seen. Perhaps the most powerful trigger of all is making someone feel truly seen. Remembering small details, noticing their mood, and acknowledging parts of them others ignore can create deep emotional impact. People often fall for those who make them feel understood at a deeper level. The truth is, people rarely fall only for looks. They fall for feelings. They fall for the person who makes them feel safe, understood, valued, and emotionally alive. Psychology shows that attraction is built through subtle emotional triggers that shape how the brain experiences connection. The strongest attraction often begins not with grand gestures, but with emotional presence, trust, and consistency. Sometimes the smallest psychological trigger can become the beginning of the deepest connection.